So this little video, we're going to talk through how we do the basic functions of a DAIKIN thermostat, how we turn it on, how we change mode, how we change fan speed, and how to set the temperatures. So let's do this. So to turn it on, we push this top right-hand corner button. There's the power button. See how it illuminates green? That means we're engaging the unit. So in this example, we've got the room set for 23 degrees. The room is 23 degrees, so you see room, that's the actual room temperature. This one here set to, this is what we're asking it to be. If we want to change the temperature, we adjust that, push up on the arrow to increase temperature. If you're too warm, then you'll push down to decrease the temperature. Now, if you want to change mode, we tap on the top right-hand corner button. It will just scroll through the options. They're going from heat to fan, now to dry, which is dehumidification. Then we go into auto, which is depending on what your set point is set to. For example, here it's set for 22 degrees in heating, 28 degrees in cooling. And we can adjust those. We can adjust them up or down. There we go, just push the right arrow to go down to the bottom option. We can adjust the heating point. And then if we want to change off auto, we push it again, then it'll go into cooling. Again, we can adjust the temperature. Then we've got the fan option. So if you tap on the fan option, then we push the up and down arrows to adjust the fan speed from high, medium, and low. And then there's auto. And that's how we go through and change all those, change the heat, change the mode, change the fan speed, and turn the unit on and off.
Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful and helpful, give us a thumbs up, because this is the way you're going to be able to make sure that you stay up to date with all the latest content that we produce and give out, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video. For those who have a question or want some advice on your situation, please leave a comment below and we're more than happy to help you. Or you may even find we do a video just on your topic. So we look forward to your comments. If you want to stay up to date with the latest information that we're providing and doing the videos on, push on the bell so that you can actually get the notification from us every time we upload a new video, because it might be just what you're looking for to make your system a little more efficient or help your clients to have a better outcome with their system. If you're facing some challenges yourself with your system, or you need some support, wiring diagrams, parts, more information or tips on how to get the most from your system, please feel free to go across to our website or our social media channels, and we're happy to talk to you and help you with your situation. The more that you follow, the more content you'll be able to absorb, and we'll be able to help you with your situation. Look forward to helping you soon, and have a great day.